Hello and good morning, everybody. My name is Deloria Dunlap, and this is the end of my third year here at the University of New England. I have a total of 3 classes to take in order to complete my program, so I'm looking forward to it, and I hope to learn new and exciting things here while taking this 8-week course. So, a little bit about me. I have an undergraduate degree from the University of Phoenix in healthcare administration. And currently, I am a traveling endoscopy technician too. My job as a technician is to work with the medical team to help with procedures involving endoscopies, usually used to diagnose gastrointestinal problems. Endoscopy technicians may be responsible for preparing the rooms and equipment, assisting during procedure, and I often assist with these procedures. My doctors and I work hand in hand to remove cancerous tumors and polyps and all sorts of things, foreign bodies. We specialize in assisting patients who've had objects in their esophagus. And so it's all sorts of things you see when you get into this procedure. My job also includes prepping the room and doing paperwork and keeping up with the paperwork post procedures after the patient has finished, and to do follow-up phone calls to see how the patient has done after the procedure. And I think that my job is like totally gives me total instant gratification when I'm assisting physicians with these procedures, because you can often find what's going on with the patient prior to leaving the procedure room. So that way we have an answer for them oftentimes. So, excuse me. My job as a traveling endoscopy technician has taken me to many different states around the United States, and most recently in Dallas. I will say that I love Dallas. Dallas is a beautiful spot. It was hot, it was warm, but the people were extremely friendly, and I would go back to Dallas any day for an assignment. My current job is local here in the state of Georgia at a major metropolitan hospital within the city. I am married and a mother of two. I have a dog named Sasha, who is a Maltese, and Sasha is the joy of our universe. And so in my pastime, I like shopping and watching movies and tuning into Turner Classic movies. So hopefully this course, it seems exciting, and I know it will be, and hopefully I can go away with some tools to take me beyond the scope of just this course, and I'll have a better understanding of public health administration upon my completion of this 8 weeks. In terms of how I want to use this course on my career path, my goal is to eventually obtain a position at the CDC here in Atlanta, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. And when I say I want to use this as a platform for the Public Health Advisory Board, I want to actually see what I can do about stopping the flow of human trafficking within our state and within the country. We don't realize here in Atlanta there are so many children and young people who are exploited for the self-gratification of others, and they don't have a voice. So I want to eventually use my degree to go into that and see what I can do to help other people, children who don't have a voice, in becoming better educated and hopefully getting out of that type of a lifestyle. So here's to a great 8 weeks for everyone. I wish everybody much success. Thank you.